everybody, it's Melody at Nolting. This February, we've been very busy at the Nolting factory. We're expanding our team, planning out our shows for the year, and we're working with our dealers and ambassadors to bring you guys even more exciting content in 2025. And we have all kinds of super secret surprises in the works that I cannot wait to share with you. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it seems like the world is filled with roses and chocolates and, of course, love. For quilters, love is found in the joy of creating something beautiful with your own two hands. It's that satisfaction when you see the quilts you've had in the back of your mind finally come to life. And of course, it's that moment when you give someone a quilt that you know they'll cherish forever. Now, speaking of love, we've got a little something special this month, and I know you're going to love it. Let's go ahead and open up this Valentine and see what's inside. I hope you're excited because I know I am. Okay, let's see what's inside of this Valentine. Oh my goodness. It looks like right now you can save up to $9,700 when you buy a Nolting machine package. And yeah, you heard that right, $9,700. That just might be the best Valentine I've ever opened. I mean, this is your chance to take quilting to a whole new level with a machine you've always dreamed of. And whether you're a business or hobby quilter, now is the perfect time to invest in the tools that will help you create the best work possible. And I want you to know that we are here to make this decision as easy as possible for you. If you have any questions or if you want to take a deep dive into our new luxury machine lineup, don't hesitate to book a call with our owner, Melissa. She's here to chat with you personally about what's best for your needs. Or you can always call your local Nolting dealer for more information. We have dealers all across the globe, and there could be one just down the street from you and you haven't had the chance to meet them yet. They'll be more than happy to walk you through your options. You can book a call with Melissa or find your local dealer at Nolting.com. If you'd prefer to reach out to us more directly, you can also just give us a call at 319-378-0999 or email us at info@Nolting.com. Now let's be real. Some quilting machines and domestic sewing machines can be a total struggle. And that gets in the way of creativity, which is the most frustrating experience for any quilter. But here at Nolting, we do things a little bit differently. A Nolting machine actually moves and quilts with you. It's almost like an extension of your hands and your creativity. A Nolting machine is actually a partner in your quilting journey, not just an obstacle. And if you've been waiting for a sign to take the leap on a new Longarm, this is it. Saving up to $9,700 is a big deal, and it can completely elevate your quilting journey. I mean, this isn't just a sale. This is your chance to have the best quilting setup possible. A quick call to us or a call to your local Nolting dealer, and you'll be one step closer to transforming your quilting journey forever. Remember, you can either book a call with Melissa online, find a dealer at Nolting.com, or call us at 319-378-0999. Now, I can already hear you wondering, is this really the right time? So let me ask you this. How many quilts do you have that are just sitting around waiting to be finished? How many ideas have you had to ignore because you didn't have the right tools to make them happen? And how long have you wanted a quilting setup that truly just gets you and allows you to quilt the way you've always dreamed of? Let me be the first one to tell you that waiting does not get you any closer to your quilting dreams. And it certainly doesn't give you the joy of creating something beautiful. Only action does that, and right now, taking action is easier than ever. So let's make it happen together. Call us, visit Nolting.com, reach out to your local Nolting dealer, but take that first step. Let's talk about what really makes a quilting machine the one. It's not just about power or precision. It's about how it feels, how it moves with you, how it responds to your creativity, and how it turns quilting into something effortless. It's also about confidence and knowing that your every stitch will be just as perfect as the last. And most of all, it's about trust. Trusting that your machine will be with you for a lifetime of creativity. And knowing that the company who makes your machine not only stands by it, but will be there to help you every step of the way. That's what Nolting is all about. We're always here to help you and support you in any way we can. We are also constantly working to bring new free resources to our Nolting family, like the Biz Quilters Playbook, the Essential Care Guide, and the all-in-one Quilters Workbook, all of which you can get for free right now on Nolting.com. Our resources are always designed thoughtfully and lovingly to make your quilting journey as enjoyable as possible. We will also personally work with you to make the process as easy as possible when it comes time to upgrade to a Longarm. We will make sure you find a machine that you absolutely absolutely fall in love with. Maybe for you, that's the Diamond, a machine so smooth and powerful it almost feels like it's reading your mind. Or the Alara, built for that seamless quilting flow where everything just kind of clicks into place. Or maybe you're new to longarming or working with a smaller budget. That's where the Flair and Fun quilters shine. They give you the freedom to explore and create and grow your quilting skills without breaking the bank. No matter where you are in your quilting journey, whether you're quilting for yourself, for others, or for business, I promise there's a Nolting machine that is made for you. And right now, there's never been a better time to make it yours. Now, take a moment and imagine something with me. Think of your dream quilt, the one that's always been in the back of your mind that you've always wanted to make. Not just any quilt, your quilt. The quilt that is just your taste. The one with colors and patterns that you just adore. The one that makes people stop and stare in awe. The one where every stitch landed just where you wanted it. Now ask yourself, what's stopping you from making that quilt? Is it your machine, a lack of time, maybe a little bit of fear? Because whatever it is, we can help you solve it today. We'll listen to what your goals are and we'll help you design a custom quilting setup that guarantees you'll be able to create whatever your heart desires. Book a call with us or reach out to your local Nolting dealer. Almost every quilter I've met who owns a Nolting tells me the exact same thing. I wish I had gotten my machine even sooner. Because once you start quilting on a Nolting, it's like a whole new world opens up, and I promise you'll never want to go back. You won't want to struggle with tension issues or a machine that just wasn't built to last. And you won't want to have to sacrifice the quality of your quilts because of a machine that can't handle your creativity. Right now, there's a reason to say yes and make the move with our limited time offer to save up to $9,700 on a new machine package. Don't wait. This deal is one you don't want to miss. Call us at 319-378-0999, email your local Nolting dealer, or visit Nolting.com to browse our new luxury machine lineup. Some people quilt because they're passionate, creative artists. Some quilt because it's their business. Some quilt for relaxation and to have something fun to do. But no matter the reason, every single quilter deserves a machine that they absolutely love. This is your moment to choose creativity and the joy of quilting over frustration. To choose love for your craft, for your future, and for your quilting journey. This Valentine's Day, forget the chocolates and the roses. It's time to treat yourself to something that lasts. A machine you love, quilting that feels effortless, and the joy of creating for years to come. Go to Nolting.com, book your free consultation with Melissa, call us directly at 319-378-0999, or find your local Nolting dealer. We promise there's a machine for you, and we'll help you find the one. We can't wait to hear from you.